Cakey. Hey guys, vlogging today. It is Saturday, March 11th, and today my friend is gonna come over. Sharon's gonna be over here for 2 weeks, so that's gonna be fun. And it is already about 6 o'clock, 6:15, so we have a little bit before we go to the airport to pick her up. Basically what I did all day was cleaning and tidying, that kind of thing. And also I have a sty, so if my eye looks kind of weird, that's why. I also did like a half a wing there because I didn't want to go out looking like a complete bum. Also, if it sounds a little bit weird, I am not feeling too well. Like, I think I have a cold. So we got this really big cookie, but we still need to write on it, so. Okay. I think like something like welcome Sharon. Look at that cookie. We did it. I had to improvise because there wasn't enough E's and there wasn't enough O's. So also there was only one C, so it's gonna be a Dutch America or America. Yeah, it looks super cute. So I'm gonna take out this doggy right here before we go, and then I can clean up the rest. Time to go. Hello. Hi. Cookie. This is how I'm gonna lose my dog.